Hygiene is essential in hospitals. Cleaning, disinfection and staff compliance are central parts here. But antimicrobial copper also plays a central role. I'm now talking about this with Mr. Mark Tour from the Copper Alliance. Mr. Tour, how can copper improve infection control?
Well, for 20 years now, researchers have been working on copper, and they show that it destroys microbes in the laboratory, but also the hospital environment continuously for the whole life of the product. And that has a big impact on the health of the patients in hospitals.
What components in a hospital should be upgraded with copper?
Well, recently a lot more work has been done on the components in the environment, that they play some part in hospital-acquired infections. And just last year, the American Centers for Disease Control published a list of critical components, and it includes all the touch surfaces that we see here upgraded to copper. Their focus is on cleaning, but copper plays its role also.
How does copper compare to silver?
Well, copper and silver work in similar ways, but copper has something extra, and that is that it works in the normal room temperature environment with no humidity necessary. In fact, it works faster, it seems, when things are dry.
Does copper replace cleaning or disinfection?
No, copper is just another layer to help us combat hospital-acquired infections. So you must clean, you must disinfect, you must continue to have hand hygiene and so on.
Thank you for the interview. And now we are going to ask some users of antimicrobial copper about their experiences.
To work with copper was not difficult at all. In fact, we've enjoyed the challenge of designing side rails for our bed out of copper, and we're looking forward to making more components out of copper in the future.
We're looking for the way to limit the risk of infections. So we've known for a while that copper has these characteristics. So we've looked for a way to implement it in our products. And we ended up using the handles and all the elements that are and can be touched by doctors and nurses and medical staff with those copper elements. And we're really hoping this will change our competitive situation in the market, and then that our products will be chosen by the doctors as the ones offering the protection.
Since we are in the medical field and we produce medical devices, I had in mind to apply the antimicrobial copper in a digital antimicrobial thermometer. And this is what we did.
We have introduced a complete product line for hospital furniture, chairs, couches, sofas and tables. And now we see how the market is picking up slowly but steady. And we think we can introduce this copper product and the innovation in it to other product lines we have for different industries, different users, like restaurants and waiting areas at the airports, for example.